Greetings to the 12 tribes of the children of Israel scattered abroad. In the name of Jehovah our Creator, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, our King. My name is Lily of the Valley. Today's topic is how do we get Haiti to be rebuilt? Where does the money come from? Where does the help come from? You remember when David says, my help cometh from the Lord who made heaven and earth? So we start there. We start with Jehovah and the reason why disasters happen in these lands. Haiti was one of the richest countries on earth. It also became one of the wickedest. Jamaica was one of the richest countries on earth. It also became one of the wickedest. Remember what happened to Port Royal? That whole place fell in the bottom of the sea. So it's time for repentance. And then the solutions can come. So what happened to all the money that was raised for relief for the various disasters in Haiti? I'm going to link this article in the description box. All the foundations that were set up, the Red Cross, United Nations, the Caribbean, the world pledged. What happened to all that money? How much was it? Where did it go? Who are the people in charge of the money? And why haven't they given an account of it? And how do we get that money back? Where is the African, Caribbean, and Pacific countries where the outcry in the UN, in the Caribbean Court of Justice, the International Court of Justice, all those international courts, who have they held or arrested for the money that was pledged to Haiti or was raised for Haiti? So you see the type of justice that's in the earth. There's one type of justice for poor countries and another type of countries for rich countries or rich people. They can go and seize people's yachts and assets for whatever reason. But where's the money that was raised for Haiti to rebuild the country? Look at the Haitian Maroons as well. The Haitian freedom fighters, the Haitian generals, the Haitian people. They can help themselves. We just need to show them where they're doing good and where they're doing wrong. Okay? So if you're doing wrong by putting your nation under a voodoo curse, that has to be broken. So one of the Haitians said Cecile Fatiman was also a Jamaican who did the priestess with DuttyBookman. He was also a Jamaican from the Gambia who initiated the freedom or the revolution in Haiti to free the slaves. So we're going to look at how our Maroons, some were holy, some were unholy. But we're all fighting. We're all the same people. The ones who went into slavery and have the most problems these days are still the ones who are doing the things that the Most High Jehovah says not to do. In Deuteronomy 28, if you do these things, you're going to have these problems. The blessings come also in Deuteronomy 28. Do the blessings. So you get the blessings and not the curses, okay? So this is Cecile Fatiman, and she was a French woman and from Corsica. So she and Bookman and then the other French revolutionaries like Toussaint and Dessalines and Henry Christophe, they fought